Hello everyone, it's August 11th. I predicted last night when I went to sleep that in the last video I predicted that my, well maybe I didn't video, I can't remember, but I believed that my blood sugar this morning was going to be 95. That's what I was thinking. And it is 109. Okay, this is my 6th day with no insulin. I'm wondering about having a body that's in a constant state of ketosis. Am I eventually going to starve? Do I need to get some carbs in? I'm not sure. I'm going to have an avocado for breakfast and see what happens with that. But anyway, I'm not having the same symptoms of ketoacidosis that I had before I was diagnosed, which is wasting away and sweating, or not sweating but thirsting, super thirsty, waking up to pee 3-4 times in a night. I mean that was crazy. That was right before I was diagnosed. I shrunk down to 155 pounds about. I'm 6'2", so that's very emaciated. Anyway, I think I need to find a bathroom scale, but I'm gonna have this a little bit of coffee and an avocado, and I'll check my sugars a little later and talk to you some more. Hello everyone. So right now I'm going to take 27 grams, or yeah, right, 27 milligrams of pyridoxine, which is vitamin B6, and it has been rumored to reverse neuropathy and to protect against diabetes. I was trying to find the study so I could link it for you yesterday, but I realized that I actually read it in an actual book, and when I tried to find the reference online, I couldn't find it. So I don't know, who knows how good the information is. Also, it just goes to show that a lot of things that you can't find online, you can definitely find at your library, or yeah, in an actual book store or in books. Nonetheless, I'm going to take it right now, and I'll check my levels in a little while, and I'll be back to let you know how that goes. Okay, so it's been a few hours since my breakfast. Well, let's see. Checked my ketone levels. They're still at 40, which is moderate. It's it's on the high end. It's not very high, but it is on the high. It's right in the middle of the scale, which is very active state of ketosis, that's for sure. My blood sugar is 114. Still good. I'm not completely comfortable with that state of ketosis. I'm still going to continue to investigate this and be really careful. If it comes down to it and I start feeling terrible, I'll probably take a little bit of basal insulin. I don't want to. It's been 6 days, and so I'd like to continue along these lines. But I'll hope for the best while preparing for the worst. Okay, weird stuff. I've kind of neglected you all day. I've had a lot of work to do. And so I checked my blood sugar earlier. Everything was fine. I think it was, let's see, it was 113. And then a few hours later, I drank some IPA. And 32 ounces, so not quite 3. And when I came down to eat some dinner, I checked my blood sugar and it was at 190. Okay, so a significant spike. Maybe it's the difference in the variety. I don't know, but it was a significant spike, huge spike. And 190 is way too high. That's the highest it's been in a long time. So I kind of didn't freak out. I just ate the food that I was going to eat, which is some pork again, which I'm thinking about cutting meat out for the next few days just to see how that works. Pork, ate 2 avocados, so that's 3 fatty foods. I ate an egg, which is a lot of cholesterol, and I ate some spinach and kale, so greens, nothing else. I didn't eat anything else, and that was about, well, let's see, it's 9 o'clock. I guess that was about an hour and a half ago, and now my blood sugar is, no kidding, 77. All right. Now between the 77 and the 190, I tested it again, and it was let me see, 157, I think. Let's see. Pull that out. It was 157. Yeah, before that 190. That's terrible. That's terrible. But 77? That's crazy, right? But now look at these numbers for the last few days. We're talking about 114, 109, 120. Okay, those are all in the 120s. That's kind of high there, right? That's high. But look at, they're bouncing all over, but they're about, I mean, some of these numbers are really low, really low. I feel fantastic. I'm not going to lie. I feel absolutely incredible. This is day 6. Tomorrow will be day 7 with absolutely no insulin. And is this possible? My first experiment and everything's working out all right? It's kind of strange. Anyway, I'll test my blood sugar once again after, right before bed, and I'll get back with you. Oh, I'm drinking coffee. I'm drinking coffee. That's why it's 77. That's still a huge, yeah, I better check it in another hour. I'll be back. Okay, 10 o'clock at night. I just had a hypoglycemic attack. And I don't even know how that's possible because I haven't taken any insulin. But I did have a 0 carb pure protein. Well, I guess there's a few carbs in the avocados. But yeah, mostly a fat and protein dinner. And I just tested my blood sugar. And it was really low, and I could tell I was having an attack. I still feel kind of shaky from it. And when I tested my ketones, I was at 15 instead of my usual 40. So, not ketoacidosis, that's for sure. Definitely a hypoglycemic attack. I grabbed 2 Hershey's chocolates because I didn't want to call 911. So yeah, I've had some refined sugar now. I'll keep you filled in.